Hi friends, I'm going to share, I'm going to show a book. This is called The Greatest Salesman in the World. O.Z. Mandino, The Greatest Salesman in the World. This is the very useful book you can read. In the first page, I would like to share what is written in the first page, and that is my affirmation. And that is inside my mind. It's all the time. It's flow, my blood, and it's my vein. What is that? I will persist until I succeed. That is very important. I will persist until I succeed. I was not delivered into this world into defeat, nor does failure course in my vein. I am not a sheep waiting to be prodded by the shepherd. I am a lion, and I refuse to walk, to sleep with the sheep. This slaughterhouse of failure is not my destiny. I will persist until I succeed. This is the thing, very important thing. These books will give you so wisdom to know about oneself. है ना? हमको समझने का है थ्रू द बुक्स. ऑलरेडी इट्स रिटन इन ऑल एवरीथिंग, है ना? हम यहाँ हारने के लिए नहीं आए हैं. वी वांट टू मेक आवरसेल्फ फिट ऑल द टाइम. एक्सरसाइज जैसे फिजिकल मेंटल एक्सरसाइज थ्रू दैट. रिजेक्शन अगर है, यू हैव टू रिजेक्ट योर negative thought process. You can reject it. This life is amazing. You need to be excited, very happy. Life is beautiful, but that beautiful thing we have to create, we have to make. How we can design to create it, that is very important. And make a habit of reading books. Great books, writer are there to give you the wisdom. आपका अंदर में है all everything. That is the thing you need to keep on and fighting for yourself. What is that stopping you? Stopping you to be, to get what you want. Actually, you deserve good thing. And you have to choose what is the good thing, what you want. For your family, you need to fight. You need to protect. You need to do something. And that the culture, that the mindset you need to build. आपको build करना है. Just everything is, we're going to lose everything, but not one thing. That our thought process, our thinking, our work, our culture, कुछ तो हमारे लिए हम तो रख के चले जाएंगे, है ना? That is, life is amazing. Let us build it together. All the simple good people, this is the opportunity God has given us to be united to fight. बहुत बड़ा समस्या है हम लोग को. Let us be fight. जितना भी ट्रैवल डिफिकल्टीज है, let us fight together. Learn to be united and have love and passion. Why you will love people? Because through that people, we together for a common purpose. No, we are united. जो आपको नहीं आ रहा है, it's okay. But जो आ रहा है, take care of them, love them from your heart, pray for them. And do something. Focus your mind to help somebody else. दूसरों को help करने में focus करिए. You need some character. You need some habit. We are selling. What is we are selling? We are selling our honesty, integrity, simplicity, hope, all these things. We are all salesmen. We are anyway selling. But what we have got to sell, to give, to empower, to inspire, it's very important. That's the thing. And that is at your hand. ये आपका है, आपका हाथ में है. And that is the accounts what I believe we have to submit after this beautiful world. Again, दिस इज आई थिंक आई बिलीव इटर्निटी टू इटर्निटी, वी आर स्पिरिट, ना हम लोग का डेट है ना बर्न। वन मेन थिंग हम लोग को द डे वी बॉर्न एंड द डे वी लिव, इन बिटवीन जो डेथ है ना उसको फिल अप करना है, फिल अप द गैप्स ऑफ योर लाइफ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।